This is the world's first fleet of 100% hydrogen-powered trains. Germany has opened a railway line that is totally powered by hydrogen, a world premiere and a big step towards green train travel. The trains produced by French manufacturer Alstom to the German state of Lower Saxony replace diesel trains. The total cost of the project is around $92 million. 14 trains with hydrogen trains were powered by fuel cell propulsion, and just 2.2 pounds of hydrogen fuel can run the same as around 9.9 pounds of diesel trains. The trains have a range of 999 kilometers with speeds touching 140 kilometers per hour, and track will connect these cities. In Germany, 20% of the trips will still use diesel, which contributes to global warming, and these trains will save 1.6 million liters of diesel fuel a year. Hydrogen trains have submerged as a possible alternative.